Hi Virgos, how you doing? I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are happy, healthy, safe, staying at home, following the rules and guidelines of the government. This reading is for the month of April, May and June. This is just an overview like how your month will be. Okay, so this is a timeless reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. So you can also book an uh, a one-on-one reading with me. The details of the reading for the personal bookings are given in the description box below, and also you can help me with the donations if you want to support my YouTube channel. You can help me with the donations. I'll be grateful to you and to the universe. So the details of the donation link is also given in the description box below. So let's see what's coming up for you Virgos for the month of April, May and June. Overview of April month, May month and June month. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's check it out. The Hermit in reverse. 10 of Cups, 5 of Cups. In the month of May, King of Swords, 9 of Pentacles and King of Cups. Okay, the Moon, 9 of Cups and 2 of Swords. Okay guys, let me clarify the Hermit first. Okay, lot of major arcanas are there in your reading today. Okay, and in the bottom of the deck is happiness, joyous feeling. Okay, so let's see. In the month of April, you will be stuck up with your finances when it comes to your career life mostly. Okay, and if it's about your relationship, you you'll be happy in the month of April because a lot of communication will be happening between you guys. But when it comes to your career life, you're sad, you're depressed, you're thinking a lot, contemplating a lot about money related thing, materialistic thing in the month of April. Okay, and you want to end this out, like you want to move forward ahead when it comes to financially. You want to build a financial empire in the month of April, so you're lot of thinking and contemplating in the month of April. Okay, in the month of May, you're thinking of some, taking an action when it comes to your career related thing. Okay, taking action about your career, like how you want to proceed further in your career, how you want to, what's the purpose of it and how you want to proceed further. That's an important part for you guys. Okay, and yeah, so two kings are there. That means it's a major arcana. Okay, in a month of June, there will be some hidden secrets. There are secrets which you are hiding or which someone is hiding from you, but there won't be any confusion left. If you are stuck up, this stuck energy will be removed in a month of June. Okay, if you are contemplating, thinking a lot, stuck up about something, that energy won't be there, that confusion won't be there in the month of June. Okay, because there is a wish fulfillment card. Wish fulfillment and happiness and joy feeling is coming into your life, so you won't be stuck up. An opportunity is also coming because I am going in the deck, in the bottom of the deck. So a lot of opportunity is there moving forward with this kind of opportunity, and taking your own action is standing your own ground with this opportunity. I think this reading is mostly preferably when it comes to your career, because a lot of pentacles are there, so lots of money is coming. Like it is all about money related thing mostly. So it's about, like, this reading is mostly preferably for the people who are, thinking about your career, stuck up about your career, how to move forward, what sort of things is coming into your life. So it's pretty good in the month of May and June, because a lot of happiness will be coming and you will be moving forward. There is, I feel, hidden secrets are there. Either you are, being secretive, or else the other person is being secretive or mysterious, and you are, want to come up with the truth, but you cannot, because that the other person is secretive, or you are secretive, or you are hiding something, or the other person is hiding something for you. And a lot of, if you had any confusion in the month of June, a lot of confusions will be released, because I am seeing an stuck energy in the month of April and in the month of June. So here you are stuck up in the month of April, and in the month of June you are released with a lot of confusions, like there's no more confusion, okay, in your life. So you are feeling relaxed and happy, okay. So there's a wish fulfillment card is there, opportunities coming onto your way with a lot of money. It might be related to money or relationship, whatever it is. A lot of abundance is coming into your life, guys. When I feel this is all about your career, because this is mostly related to a lot of pentacles are coming into your reading. That means a lot of wish fulfillment related to money thing, okay guys. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and book on one-on-one reading with me. The details of the reading is given in the description box below. Thank you guys.